Hello everyone, my name is John Hanachek. I'm the CEO of Avatar Medic. We are a company developing real-time remote relief solutions. And right now I'm going to show you a quick little demo of something we call HoloTRIAGE. We're doing multi-victim scenarios, trying to learn how to help multiple people. This could be a car accident or natural disaster. It could be even a particularly hot day at the park and a handful of people get heat stroke. It's really challenging to train for these scenarios because in today's world, you have to hire actors or have dummies and set all this stuff up. So now we have these things. So Avatar Medic has our first product coming out called HoloTRIAGE, which is going to totally change the way that we train for multi-victim scenario because, as you'll see, we've got one victim, two victims, oh my gosh, where's our third? Someone else is hurt. So the goal of triage is you have multiple, it doesn't have to be just three, but it means essentially that you are going to select who you need to help, who is highest priority, who can you help the best, most quickly, so that you can get all of the patients to be able to survive. And it's a really challenging problem. It's something that professionals need to train to do because you don't just wake up in the morning and know exactly how to help everyone. There are procedures and protocols that you need to know. And it's one thing to drill the procedures and protocols, it's another thing to drill on them in the context of there being different people. So we look around here and we see, okay, wow, this woman, she's moving, and it looks like she's got, oh my God, her legs all over the place. Let me see, he doesn't even look like he's moving. The kid is moving around. It looks like he's choking. Well, the choking kid, this lady, I'm right here, I'm just gonna go. So with this woman, I need to see, is she conscious? I need to check, is she conscious? Yes, okay, but what's her problem? Okay, so wow, there's some bleeding going on here. Okay, so keep going, there's a med bag. I need to control her bleeding with this bag. So pull out the supplies and go down the whole bleeding control route. Get her controlled. This guy down here, oh my goodness. The kid's still alive, so I'm gonna check if this guy's conscious. I'm gonna check his pulse. Okay, oh my gosh, he doesn't have a pulse, which means do CPR. With the kid, let's see if we can run at the kid really quick. He's still here. Let's try some back blows. These are standard procedures, right? Back blows, and chest thrusts. Okay, so keep going until he dislodges the object. Let's let the kid go for a moment. I'm gonna come over here and do CPR on this guy now. That's not the right technique. Let me drop the mic. With CPR, you need to keep doing it until you get something else. So here we've got our AED. So in this case, the simulation could continue. I would bring the AED over to him and attach it, and the simulation could keep going. So this is merely a demo. It's what we've cooked up with the help of the Microsoft Reactor mentors and support working on HoloLens. The idea is you get started. You see how it's abstract, right? I'm just clicking buttons. But as you get more advanced, you have to do the correct techniques. So there, how to take a pulse, palpations, there's all these kinds of things that are hand-based. It's all very hand-based, being a first responder. So we're really excited about the potential of the HoloLens 2 to enable us to actually create a compelling training environment that's spatially located and that would enable someone to explore the space. So if I'm somewhere else, oh my gosh, I have to actually look for victims. It starts getting people into the mindset of exploring the territory, checking if the scene is safe, understanding where victims are in relation to each other, because for this scenario, I would need to be helping him, and helping her, and keep going. And I have to keep going if it was just me. And that's really challenging, and that's why we train. But we don't train enough because right now it's expensive and time-consuming to train. But not anymore. Avatar Medic's first product, HoloTRIAGE, on the HoloLens 2 and mobile devices, but it's best on the HoloLens 2 because of these hands. Finally, we have a computer that lets the computer go away, and instead you focus on the content of the learning. And we're really excited to start getting this out to customers who are wanting to do a lot more drills than they do today. But moreover, we're really deeply passionate, and our mission is to bring this kind of training out of just the professional space and into the regular person. So now we have the ability to have regular people exploring these kinds of dangerous scenarios. It could be on your own, in your home. It could be with some friends. You could all get together and have a medical learning party. And we think that this is going to be the future, where as we keep going with the Avatar Medic mission, is to take these things out of just training offline and into, as these devices become more prevalent in our lives, actually supporting you with the right decision-making process. So right now it's training, and it will always be training because you can never train enough. But in the future, we will take it into our real-time remote relief paradigm. So this is HoloTRIAGE, using the amazing capabilities of mixed reality on the HoloLens 2 to create a totally new way of doing multi-victim scenario that's more flexible, way more accessible, and just as visceral, in fact, potentially even more visceral, because now we don't have to spend hours putting makeup on actors and all these things. We can just create the right assets and have any number of infinite simulations. So we are really excited about shipping this. It's coming soon, midpoint of 2020. We will start getting this in the hands, on the heads of our customers as fast as we can, because people are asking us for this. I think we're going to have a whole new paradigm of first responder preparedness and bring a whole new generation of people up into the ability to be effective first response practitioners. So thank you all very much. This is Avatar Medic HoloTRIAGE on HoloLens 2. Thank you.